Look at this, guys. Getting ready to do a video on the Lectric 2.0, and our mascot got in my bucket where I'm going to be putting my front wheel to change the rotor out. Stay tuned for more fun. All right, everyone. Okay, we are actually underway doing our upgrade front wheel rotor from 160 millimeter up to 180 millimeter. Now, I did break free the nuts right here. They have Loctite on. And you need a Torx end for these, okay? An Allen wrench is not going to fit. Remember, I've seen some people talking about that. Like, why won't my Allen wrench fit? Well, you need a Torx, a T25 to be exact. And I'll show you what I mean. You can buy the kit on Amazon, several different variances of them, you know, for just a few bucks, $10, $12, $13. Takes not really too much elbow grease to break these free. Mine actually came free pretty easily. I have a total of 6 on here. So, and of course the new rotor comes with its own bolts. They're already set up with Loctite on them. So we'll go ahead and take this off. Pretty much have that one down there. Put the old ones over here. And let me show you what I mean about the Torx end here. You guys can see this, right? See that? It's that type of an end right there. Yeah, it's not an Allen wrench, okay? So let's go ahead and take this old one off. Do a comparison here. Yeah, see here's the old one. And there's the new one right behind it. Nice shiny one. This one's actually a little thicker, a little more durable. And it was probably about 10 bucks. I'm not going to put a link to it on Amazon because there's so many of them, so many variances. But the one thing you do want to make sure of is right here. See the little arrow? Make sure you have the arrow down here facing up when you go to put it back on. You just put it right on here. Line it up with the holes. And look at that. Now hopefully I don't run into problems with my new brake in the front spokes. Something I'm a little concerned about. You can start these in here, just get it started anyways. But this right here is going to be a world of difference. And before I know it, my bike's going to be just about almost equivalent to Lectric 3.0. You know, except for the front fork travel. On the Lectric 3.0 has more travel. And of course it has kind of a different paint. I think the paint's more of an actual black as compared to Midnight Blue. And of course that one is stocked with 180 millimeter rotors. Still has the mechanical disc brakes. But yeah, I'm happy with my bike. My bike does pretty good. And, you know, I have to go cheap budget stuff. I don't get any kickbacks from YouTube. I don't get free stuff handed out to me to test and to keep and everything else. So it is what it is. All right, these are on, nice and secure. I'm gonna go ahead and give each one of them a good snug down. And we should be done with the front rotor. And yeah, don't worry about it. I'm going to clean this off with rubbing alcohol here once I get everything put away and taken care of. Okay. You know, a couple of the nuts on the that I just took off actually almost felt stripped. I mean, I was able to get a good bite on them and get them off there, but yeah. So. Okay, let's just make sure everything's good and tight on here. It's really important. One last little snug down. Get them set in. Yeah, I'm curious. I'm just really, I know if I were to put this right back on the bike with the 180 millimeter rotor with the regular mechanical brakes on the bike right now, it would be a significant difference. Oh my God, it'd be crazy. But yeah, that is your rotor install. Quick swap. The rotors, this rotor right here, I know for a fact is at least equal quality to this rotor. Let's see if this one actually has a, yeah, this is a Tektro. Yeah, this is a Tektro rotor. Let's see if you can see it right here. Tektro right here. Yeah, but that's my swap over from 160 to 180 millimeter rotor. These are pretty heavy duty. This one's definitely equal quality, if not better, honestly. So I'll go ahead and finish this up. I'm going to clean this whole thing up and get this stuff packaged up and put back away. And that concludes the rotor install, guys. At the same time, when you have your wheel off, it's a good time to just check and inspect everything a lot closer. It's a lot easier when it's off the bike too. So take advantage of that time and do it. And I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up. And I'll see you on the next Lectric 2.0 video. You guys keep safe out there, and peace.